We are back at Mornington Crescent, the third part in a 3-part trilogy. We showed you the property when it was stripped back to brick before Christmas as a half-finished developing project early in the new year. And now I'm absolutely delighted to show you the finished product. Let's go and have a look.
From the second that you walked in, something like a fever dream. Haven't slept in weeks, I think I'm seeing things.
So as you walk through the house, it's so easy to picture yourself living in here. It's been dressed by the client. It shows exactly how the rooms can be laid out. What I think about it most of all is that it demonstrates it's for young families, mature families, even those people looking for more manageable accommodation. There is no work to do whatsoever in here. It's been finished to the highest specification. It's a house that you'll be really proud to call your home.
The day we met, my loneliness left the room the second that you walked in, something like a...
So this was a garden previously, but client has extended it to the rear to create this wonderful open plan breakfast kitchen. We'll have seen previously how this was developing, but this as a finished article has really created what I'd say is the feature room of the property, the heart of the house. It will be the place where you get to entertain, watch your children as they do their homework and really make it a focal point of the property. Finished to a tremendously high specification. You've got the quartz worktops, loads of natural light. There is something really authentic about this room.
Did something like a fever dream. Haven't slept in weeks, I think I'm seeing things like a shadow.
So the accommodation within the property is set across 3 floors. We've moved up to the first floor where you find at the front of the house the principal bedroom. It's one of 5 very generous bedrooms throughout the property. Really does show you the natural light, the space and the charm and character which every single room in the property possesses.
You walked in, something like a fever dream. Haven't slept in weeks, I think I'm seeing things like a shadow dancing us out of our clothes. I'll be damned if you love me, damned if you don't.
Seen the internal accommodation, but it's complemented by the external accommodation, this lovely courtyard garden. It is quite low maintenance in nature, but it's going to attract an awful lot of sunshine through the day. An extension of the internal accommodation, fabulous for outside entertaining, just to enjoy some peaceful time.
The room the second